Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. This is an informational video for those people who are thinking about taking the Tableau class and you're wondering what is this Tableau class that I'm looking at. So here's just some information for you guys to consider as you are thinking about taking this class. So the first thing, we have two objectives for this class. We want you to get a Tableau job offer by the time you finish the class. And we also want you to get certified as a Tableau developer. This will help you as you look for jobs. You can negotiate a higher salary, and it will also improve your confidence when you are certified. But you do not need to be certified to get a job offer. We have a lot of our students who are now working as Tableau developers who are not yet certified. So the agenda for the day, we're going to tell you why you should do Tableau, and we're going to tell you about some success stories, show you examples of Tableau jobs, what they look like, and then we'll go over the class content. We'll show you what Tableau dashboards look like. We'll talk about the certification, and we'll show you a real-world example where Tableau is being used. And then we'll show you some Tableau testimonials, contact information, and our website that you can always go to. So why do Tableau? There's lots of jobs out there. You can work from home, great support system from other students who have taken the class. You can always reach out whenever you have questions, both full-time and contract positions for those people who don't like full-time. These jobs are paying people more than $100,000 a year, and you have a great career. These are not jobs you just have today and tomorrow they are gone. Tableau is used in almost all industries, so you know your job security is very secure. So success stories, we've had over 150 students who completely successfully completed our training. There is 50% who are certified and also either certified or on the job or both. We have had a lot of students getting six-figure offers, some multiple offers, and they actually had to pick which one they wanted. This is changing people's lives. People are able to change their careers and make more income for their families. Students got certified after the class, and then we have students who came from different industries background, some from nursing, customer service, teachers, and other professions. So I took this screenshot some time ago, and it was actually showing that there are 63,000 Tableau jobs. I just looked it up today, and it is actually 64,000 Tableau jobs available. So, you know, this is a career which you can actually rely on. And if you look here, you can see this is a full-time job and it is remote. And this is how much it is paying. We also have a contract position, remote, and contracts do pay more than the full-time positions. So this is the average salary for Tableau developers, depending on what country you are or what state. So you could get paid as high as $140,000 a year, or you could be getting $90,000 a year, but this is what you can get or expect for your average. And then usually we do this in person or on a live video with people, and we ask people to introduce themselves. We talk about the class structure, the certification exam, resumes, and job search, and then we do question and answer. So since this is a video, you can email us or you can text us, call us with your questions. You can go to our website, you can get in touch with us. So you might ask yourself, what is Tableau? So Tableau is a software that major corporations use to analyze their data so that they can make decisions in a timely manner. If you look on the bottom right corner here, if I ask you what region is giving a lot of business, making a lot of money compared to the other regions, if these are thousands of rows, you're going to take hours and hours and hours to figure that out. But if you look here, if I tell you red is bad and green is good, You won't even need 5 seconds to tell me that the South is not doing good and the West, and so the South is doing good and the West is not doing good. You can do that. That's what we are making dashboards for executives and top management to make decisions. So these are all different types of dashboards that we can make for management and they can make decisions. That's what is Tableau for. So Tableau belongs to business intelligence. So what are other business intelligence tools out there? There's also Oracle and there's Power BI. So Tableau is the one that is easier. People with zero IT background are able to navigate and make sense of it. That is why most companies are preferring to use Tableau. We saw an article that was saying there's over 86,000 companies that are currently using Tableau. All right. So in our class, it is 6 weeks. First day, we install Tableau on your computer. We show you how to create visualizations, how to start building these dashboards. Week 2, we talk about joins, filters, groups, sets. Week 3, show you dashboard best practices and key performance indicators. And then week 4, we halfway through the course, we give you guys kind of a game to see where people are. Are people understanding what you are covering? Is there something we need to go back, revisit? Then we talk about parameters. We talk about security, how to make histogram, and we start helping you with your resumes. And then we do a practice exam. For those who want to be certified, we give you a mock exam, which you can actually go through and then help you apply for jobs. Once you're done with the class, we give you support whenever you have questions. We also have a 10-minute break. We meet Tuesdays and Thursdays, 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. In the middle, we have a 10-minute break. So from the professor, every time we meet, we give you guys assignments. Every day we meet, we give you assignments. These assignments are designed to make sure that you are understanding what we are doing in class. If you have any questions, you ask. Every time we meet, you present your dashboard, you present your homework, and people will actually give you feedback. And then these assignments are not hard. They're just meant for you to make sure you're actually doing it, because just watching someone doing it is different from actually doing it. And more companies are using this Tableau, and that's exactly how you'll be doing it in class. And then you hear from a former student or multiple former students. You can ask them questions. They'll tell you how their experience was from the time they took the class and how it is going at the jobs where they're working. And then from the students, we expect you to present your work in class, watch all these lecture videos before the next lecture, participate in group discussions, ask questions, stay engaged, respect others, be professional at all times. That's what we ask. And then this is the class overview. We do meet Tuesdays and Thursdays, 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. And about the cost, you can reach out to us because we are not sure when you're going to hear this video. So reach out to us, we'll tell you what is the cost. So after the class, you'll be able to know exactly what Tableau developers do, and you'll be able to do it yourself, build very nice dashboards, professional, be able to start doing Tableau interviews in 6 weeks, and also start taking the Tableau certification exam. And the pay there, 115,000 a year. All right, so here's about the Tableau certification exam. It is all online. It's only $100. It does not expire. It is 45 questions. And we do give you a mock exam in class that will prepare you for the real exam. Then we do have a group that we can support you. So if you're wondering, so what does these Tableau dashboards look like? These are just examples of multiple Tableau dashboards. So your manager can say, I want a dashboard that looks like this, or like this, or like this. So this is what we'll be teaching you how to create all this while we're in class. This is another example of a dashboard. If you've worked in a call center, you know what these dashboards look like in a call center. They want to know how many calls came in and how many people were working, how many calls did each person pick up. This is the kind of analytics that the call center would like to know. And then when you look here, this is something that was introduced in Tableau a couple of years ago called animation in Tableau. You can see those numbers changing. This is something new. And then from there, we can show you our website. It's called Tableau Masters. So if you want to get in touch with us, you can send us a message from the website. You can also see some student testimonies there. So we are here to help you, show you how to build dashboards, help you get certified, and be ready to start doing interviews right after class. And then in conclusion, we do need to tell you that you don't need IT background for you to do well in Tableau. Anybody can start applying and take the class for Tableau. Is it hard for someone with a zero IT background? It is not. How different is it from Oracle? It is actually easier. Is there a lot of math involved? Not at all. How is the work-life balance? Someone asked, well, since these people are paying you $120,000 a year, does this mean you're working 12 hours a day and 7 days a week? No, you just work 9 to 5, and that's it, Monday to Friday. You might work for a company that is more demanding, but on average, it's just 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. That's it. So just to show you some examples on the websites here. So the first thing I'd like to show you is this is our website. You can come here, send a WhatsApp. You can see when is our upcoming classes. We always update this according to when you're gonna see this. And you can see different things on our dashboard. You can see salaries people are getting paid, those people who are doing Tableau. And what is our promise? Help you with your certification, mock exam, look for jobs, resumes, and support on the job if ever you need help. And then here is our flyer. You can look at that. Then at the end, here's some feedback from our former students. Memorable interactive class. Some of the things you can see here that people were talking about. I signed up to take training, not hoping for much, but that person was impressed. Highly recommend. Helped me, my skills towards certification. So you can go through these and here we go. How many jobs are out there right now for Tableau? I just put Tableau USA, find jobs, and you can see here 64,000 available jobs right now. And then all these jobs, $65 to $80 an hour. These are really good job. These are full-time and also contract opportunities available. Okay, and then this is just more examples about dashboards you can create with Tableau. This is what we'll be teaching you in class how to create. And finally, this is a real-world example of how Tableau is being used. This is a dashboard that is done by Johns Hopkins University, showing how many people got infected with COVID, how many people died from COVID, and how many doses of vaccines were administered worldwide. So these are real numbers with being updated all the time. So we thank you guys for giving us this opportunity to look at this, and we hope this was helpful. Hope we answered all the questions that you might have. Thank you once again, and reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.